Sahi ke alep lura bamatung Manipur University ke Convocation ngasi Pangthoktuna Maheiroi Singda degree certificate amadi medal sing Khusinnakhre Manipur University ke taramanga Suba Convocation ke thoram adu Kansipurda leiba University asige auditorium da pangthoki kumza lisingani taranithoi da pangthokiba Convocation adu ge matung ahan boina ngasi pangthokiba Convocation adu da Manipur ge governor amadi University asige rector Oiriba Ajay Kumar Valana athoiba mithunglen oina sarugya ki Loinana Manipur ki Chief Minister Rimnam Khemsana akhanaba mithunglen oiki Association of Indian Universities ke Secretary General Dr. Pankaj Mitralna special guest oina sarugyaduna convocation address piki Loinana Chancellor Tirupati Rao amadi Vice Chancellor N Lokendrana thoram mapu oina sarugya ki kumza lisingani tarahumdoidagi kumza lisingani kun fawda batch ki tuan department ki makok mathang tarba singda certificate amadi governor award yauna tuan ba mana kya lanthoki Convocation asida saruk yana bapuna Maheiroi graduate lising amaga sumna humpumathoi register tawraki Maheiroi Singda degree certificate yanthokti mamangda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendrana University asige report pathoktuna haukiba sai khara asida University asina masak thona packet kiba thabak thoram sing thaki manhai University asige tuan school mapan ki department nifutare lai PhD scholar lising amaga samanga marifudrani thoi yauna apunba Maheiroi lising taruka sahum Humpudra Taruk Lady, Masikisu Matakta, University is the affiliate Toba, College Sam Contramatogi, Apunba Maheiroi Lising Humpumapanga Satra Sumna Anisu, Lady Haiki. University is the research front Amade faculty members Singna, Hozik Pauba, National Amade International Gitak, the paper Lising Amaga Samanga Contrataru Pathokre Haibawa from Tambagaluna, University is the infrastructure, academic, administration Yauna Hiram Kudimakta Lakba, Awan Basingi Matang, the professor and Lokendrona Piba, University is the report Adu the Panki. Athoi Bamithunglen Oikiba University asige Chief Rector Oiriba Governor Ajay Kumar Valana hai tuan ba puruk kya puna khundaminari ba Manipurda Maheiroi Sing aman amabu ikai khumnaba amadi khenaba leiba punamak leibak asige constitution ge matik miyai season aduna amatoi bagi wakalon da punsinduna thamgadabani madu ngamnaba thauna lingjel laihanba amadi minungsi saubagi wakalon chenba mathau tai North East lamdam se India ge culture amadi economy ge maru oiba mafam amani Masana India ge Southward Kongtangda Asoba Todang Logudoribane Habisi Nahakudimana Kangsinduna Tangdu Leta Bamadi Southward Torangda Mai Onsinduna Sanction Gadabani Haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana Fongdoki
Higher education, however, is not confined to the acquisition of degrees. It's a journey towards enlightenment, character building, and the development of a responsible and thoughtful citizenry. Universities are not just centers of learning, they are custodians of truth, critical inquiry, and ethical values. It is here that knowledge must be balanced with wisdom and intellect must be guided by integrity. Remember that degrees you receive today are not merely symbols of achievement. They are a reminder of your duties and responsibilities. With education comes the obligation to act with integrity, to uphold ethical values, and to contribute positively to the society.
It is not merely a ceremonial gathering, rather it is a celebrating of the human spirit, perseverance, hard work, and boundless potential of our graduating students. Warmest congratulations to our student who is receiving this degree today. Your hard work, dedication, and resilience have brought you to this proud moment. Manipur University has been playing a major role in the state as a premier institute of higher learning. This institution has been the epicenter of intellectual pursuit and a place where the boundaries of knowledge are pushed and where the complex challenges of our society are met with rigorous research and critical thinking.